Service in Peachtree City has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Jasper County and central Georgia, southwestern Putnam County and central Georgia, until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:13 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time,
for
Doppler
Mr.
radar
Michael
indicated light rain falling across the warned area.
In a moment, stay tuned.
Thunderstorms have produced heavy rain across the warned area over the last 12 hours, and between 4 and 6 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding remains a threat. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Eatonton, Stanfordville, Willard, Hillsborough, Advocateville, and Risso's Crossroads. Turn around. Do not drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Please report observed flooding to local emergency services or law enforcement and request they pass this information to the National Weather Service when you can do so safely. At 5 p.m.